Hello, everyone, and welcome to HomeSpot. Today, we're diving into the world of creativity and sustainability with some amazing upcycled plastic bottle garden decor projects. If you're looking to add a unique touch to your garden while being kind to the planet, you're in the right place. From vibrant flower pots to whimsical garden art, we have a variety of inspiring ideas that will ignite your imagination. So stick around and let's explore these eco-friendly projects together. Transform ordinary plastic bottles into vibrant flower pots by painting them in bright colors and adding decorative stickers. These lively planters will bring a pop of color to any garden space. Enhance your garden's charm with whimsical art made from upcycled plastic bottles. By cutting and arranging these bottles into creative shapes, you can create enchanting sculptures that captivate the imagination. As you add artistic flair to your garden, consider incorporating functional elements that also delight the senses. Elevate your gardening game with hanging succulent planters crafted from the bottoms of plastic bottles. These unique planters not only save space, but also create an eye-catching display of greenery. Illuminate your garden with glowing solar fairy houses made from plastic bottles. These enchanting structures will add a magical touch, inviting both whimsy and wonder to your outdoor space. With these enchanting decorations, let's explore more ways to utilize plastic bottles for practical gardening solutions. Create charming plastic bottle planters specifically for growing garlic. This clever use of materials adds a decorative touch while providing fresh herbs for your kitchen. As we embrace sustainability, let's also find innovative ways to create shade and beauty in our gardens. Design a stunning hanging shade canopy using colorful plastic bottles filled with water. This creative installation not only provides shade, but also enhances the aesthetic of your garden. Craft rustic hanging planters from painted plastic bottles wrapped in twine. These charming additions will bring a touch of nature to your outdoor space while showcasing your creativity. As we explore unique planting solutions, let's also consider vertical gardening options to maximize space. Utilize plastic milk bottles to create a compact herb garden. This practical solution is perfect for small spaces, allowing you to grow fresh herbs right at your fingertips. Maximize your gardening potential by stacking plastic bottles to create a vertical garden wall. This innovative approach not only saves space, but also adds a striking visual element to your garden. With vertical gardening in mind, let's transition to decorative elements that enhance beauty and ambiance. Decorate your plastic bottles with colorful mosaic tiles to create unique planters. These artistic pieces will not only house your plants, but also serve as stunning focal points in your garden. Transform plastic bottles into enchanting garden lanterns by adding LED lights. These illuminated decorations will create a warm and inviting atmosphere during evening gatherings. As your garden glows with light, let's explore how to bring the beauty indoors with terrariums. Create a mini indoor garden using a plastic bottle as a terrarium. This delightful project allows you to showcase plants while adding a touch of greenery to your home. Use plastic bottles as mini greenhouses for starting seeds indoors. This eco-friendly method not only promotes sustainability, but also ensures your plants get a healthy start. As we nurture our seedlings, let's add a touch of whimsy with playful garden decorations. Craft whimsical garden gnomes from decorated plastic bottles. These charming figures will add personality and fun to your outdoor space, making it feel more inviting. Personalize your garden with painted plastic bottle markers. These creative markers will help you keep track of your plants while adding a splash of color to your garden beds. Enhance the sensory experience of your garden by filling plastic bottles with various textures like rice, beans, or sand. These interactive elements invite exploration and engagement. As we create a sensory-rich environment, let's also establish focal points that draw the eye. Design captivating focal points in your garden by arranging decorated plastic bottles in unique patterns. These eye-catching displays will serve as conversation starters and enhance the overall aesthetic. Finally, let's ensure that your climbing plants have the support they need to thrive. Use plastic bottles as innovative supports for climbing plants. By cutting them into sections and attaching them to a trellis, you can provide stability while adding a creative touch. Transform halved plastic bottles into charming border planters. This clever use of materials not only defines your garden space, but also adds a decorative element that complements your plants. Thank you for joining us on this journey of transforming plastic bottles into beautiful garden decor. We've covered a range of innovative ideas, from hanging succulent planters to charming garden gnomes, all designed to enhance your outdoor space sustainably. Remember, every small effort counts when it comes to protecting our planet. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more creative content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your own upcycling projects or any ideas you'd like to see in the future. Happy gardening!